welcome back. Thanks for joining me today. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Thanks for watching my video. If you're my subscriber, welcome back, and thanks for sticking with me and watching my videos. I hope you enjoy, guys. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing, as promised, of the Tuft and Needle mattress that we purchased from Sam's Club. If you guys have not viewed my channel, check it out. I did a unboxing and review of the NECTAR mattress. And I also did a 6-month review, just kind of discussing our experience over the 6 months that we've had it, as well as whether or not I returned it. I think it's obvious what I did, but guys, check out those videos anyway, and I'll be sure to post one of them at the end of this one. So just jumping right in, the Tuft and Needle mattress was purchased at Sam's Club. We decided to get a king size. We had a king size bed. And this mattress cost half of what we paid for NECTAR, so we got it for $5.49. And we just wanted to try it out. It had some pretty good reviews, and also it's an affordable mattress, memory foam, and similar to some of its other competitors. So we thought, well, let's go affordable this time, a little bit cheaper. Let's try this out and see if this works for us. So yeah, let's see. Hey guys, real quick, two key factors regarding the Tuft and Needle Classic Foam Mattress. It does have a 100-night trial, so if you do not like it within the 100 days that you have it, you can return it risk-free. And another is that there is a 10-year limited warranty. Anything go wrong with the mattress, you can contact customer service and they'll take care of it for you. as you saw, it was quite a struggle to unbox that by myself. I'm out of breath right now. Guys, please read the instructions. Obviously, I did not do that, so I struggled with it just like I did the NECTAR mattress, so I didn't learn my lesson. But yeah, it's very heavy. It's very similar, I would say, to the unboxing of the NECTAR mattress. It does expand. As soon as you unravel the first layer of plastic, it does start to expand rather quickly. So make sure that you have it on the right side before that happens, and just unroll it from the bed frame down in the right direction. And the card that I so anxiously threw out has the instructions on how to do that. So please make sure you follow the directions, guys. Other than that, it's very similar, I feel like. Obviously, I haven't slept on this thing yet, but it's very, very soft. I did the water test, as you guys saw, just to kind of see, you know, if it passed. And I felt like it did, barely. It was a little bit more shaky than on the NECTAR mattress, but it still passed. And overall, I'm just excited to get a good night's rest on this, and I hope that it is better for us. It doesn't feel as firm as the NECTAR so far, but again, I haven't slept on it long enough, so I do not know. Otherwise, guys, I am going to go ahead and put my sheets on and get it ready for bedtime tonight. I am exhausted from that project. Guys, if you have any questions at all, please feel free to comment below. I hope I did not leave anything out. Again, this mattress is new to me, so I really don't have a ton of information about it. It was really just a fun unboxing video that you guys can join me with. So any questions, leave a comment below. And as always, guys, thumbs up if you like the video. If you are new here, please subscribe. I do mostly reviews, but I have a lot of other fun things that I can do, and whatever you want to see, let me know. Who knows? I'll do it. And my subscribers, thanks again for coming back and visiting. Bye.